I need to warn you about the most expensive real estate scam happening right now. Wire transfer fraud cost victims $145 million last year alone. That's an average of $70,000 per victim. Here's how it works. You're days away from closing on your dream home, and you get an urgent email. It looks like it's from your title company or real estate agent, but the email address is slightly off. Maybe titlecompany.com or instead of titlecompany.com. The email says there's been a last-minute change to the wiring instructions and you need to send your down payment to a different account immediately. Don't do it. This is how scammers steal your entire down payment. The email will look completely legitimate. Professional letterhead, proper terminology, even urgency about closing deadlines. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. If this warning is helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more real estate safety tips and Susquehanna Valley market updates. Here's what you must do. Never trust wiring instructions that come only by email. Always call the title company or your agent directly using a phone number you've verified independently. Get those wiring instructions confirmed in person or over the phone before you send a single dollar. 1 in 4 home buyers encounter suspicious activity during closing. Don't become the next victim. If you're buying or selling a home and want to protect your investment, let's talk about how to close safely.